KENMORE Refrigerator complaint is airflow circulation is not allowing the refrigerator to get cold. First observation, I do not see any ice buildup in the airflow chamber. Evaporator fan pitch is variable. Probable cause, bad evaporator fan. Maintenance check. Minimum service and part replacement. Power is applied and fan is inoperative. Found bad evaporator fan. Fan is not running to RPMs to circulate the air, and it's damaged. And so replace component, install new fan, should test good. Maintenance check of all other components associated to the cooling system or airflow system, all checks good. Airflow chambers are good, and return chambers good. The airflow water drain port checks out good. All other components checks good. Alright, the complaint for this refrigerator was that it was not keeping temperature due to airflow. And the evaporator fan motor, which is an AC motor, this one has a variable chip in its circuitry. And what I suspect happened was water, which you can see water ice build up. Water's gotten in between the chip, the stator, and was affecting the electrical properties of the motor, which was causing it to spin erratically. And so replacing the evaporator fan motor should and will fix this problem. verifying the airflow chambers. Your return airflow and your airflow. No obstruction, no ice. Minor ice. Remove all structural impedance to get optimum airflow. Air obstruction removed. Fan installed. All tests good. Conclusion of repair. Complaint was refrigerator was not keeping temperature. Found bad evaporator fan, replaced evaporator fan. Found an object in the airflow chambers, remove obstruction, ice crystals, ice buildup, remove ice buildup. Airflow test good, fan test good. Maintenance check. Door seals appears to be good. Need to be cleaned and wiped down to prevent ambient air from entering into freezer section of refrigerator. Door seal appears to be good. Refrigerator door seal appears to be good. No cracks, tears. The freezer door seals, letting in ambient air right here. Door seal serviced and maintenance. The magnet is making contact with the door, properly sealing right through here. And so if any ambient air was to get into the refrigerator, that would help cause a problem with the evaporator fan temperature and compressor. And so the door seal will not need to be replaced at this time. And that's just the molding pushing back, but the magnet is creating an adequate seal. Refrigerator tests good.